In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close year in Xero. By the end, you'll know how to set your financial year end and lock your books so no one can accidentally change finalized figures. This is a simple process, but it's important to do it carefully to keep your reports accurate. Once you're signed into Xero and in the correct organization, start by opening the accounting menu in the top navigation. From there, choose accounting settings. This is where the overall configuration for your books lives, including reporting periods and lock dates that control who can post to past periods. Inside accounting settings, select financial settings. You'll see a section called Financial Year End. Click Change to adjust this. Pick the correct month and day that match your organization's official year end. For many businesses, that's the last day of a chosen month. If you're not fully sure, check your statutory obligations or confirm with your accountant first. Setting the right year end ensures your profit and loss and balance sheet roll over correctly and your retained earnings carry forward to the new year as expected. When you've chosen the correct date, click Done to apply it. Next, scroll to the lock date section. This is where you prevent changes to periods you've finished. Under the option that says Stop all users making changes on and before, select the final date of the period you want to protect. Typically, that will be the last day of the financial year you've just closed. Locking to that date stops users from adding, editing, or deleting transactions on or before that day, helping preserve the integrity of your reconciliations, reports, and year-end adjustments. Keep in mind that organizations may allow certain roles with specific permissions to override locks, so make sure your user access is set appropriately. Before you lock, it's good practice to confirm bank accounts are fully reconciled, all bills and invoices for the year are entered, and any year-end journals from your accountant are posted. If something is still pending, you might wait until those pieces are complete. If you ever discover a genuine mistake after locking, you can temporarily move the lock date forward, correct the entry, and then relock to the proper date. When you've selected the correct lock date, click Save. That's it. Your financial year end is set and your books are locked to protect the closed period. You've now closed the year in Xero confidently and cleanly, setting yourself up for clear reporting and a smooth start to the new year.